Guys, today I'm back with another video. So we're playing another of Tower of Hell because I really like Tower of Hell. Okay. My hair looks like poop. Poop hair. Okay, we have 2 minutes left. We might not make it, but we might, because I like these parts, but sometimes I lose. No, oh no, I lost. Okay, my sister said she joined in. Okay, hello there. She has green hair. I don't know why.
I have green dress. No, that's not for summer.
No, blue dress. I have a blue. I look cool actually.
Oh, I hate myself.
You bacon hair! Go away from me!
I hate myself. Unless I have green hair, blue dress.
No! I know, I fell down. I still have 3 subscribers though. I want more subscribers.
No, friend. You always got the record.
Okay.
This doesn't mean it.
Is that? Eden. Nobody even made it to the top. Someone was like close right here. That was so close, but they don't make it. We're doing it at the same time. Oh my gosh, how does he have that? It looks rusty. It is rusty. Disgusting. Put this shirt on. Have my face from the screen. Of course no, because I like making videos. Go, go, go! Go,
Oh no. Oh yeah, yes.
Oh, I love these parts. I go on these ones
Someone
because
says
they're easiest. Are you making a video already? Okay. Yeah.
No, sir.
This is the hardest part. Ooh, made it. Yes. Oh, so close. I needed one more, guys. I needed one more. No. Oh. No, I'm mad. I'm not mad. Let's go for the hardest part. The place that people don't go. I made this time. Ooh. That was a close one. This looks harder than I thought. It looks like easy to me, but it's not. It's like kind of hard. Because it looks hard. This is the hardest part where people can't make it. Ooh, that was close. Ooh, making it. Yes. Yes. Oh, that was close. Ooh, that was so close, guys. That was so close. Oh, no. No. Oh. Lots of people struggle on that one.
Somebody's near on the top.
Oh no, it's going to be ×2 time, like speed of the time. I'm not going to make it. Oh no.
×4.
No! I'm definitely not going to make it. I really want only like me and Alina have our own server. Oh, you don't. I had Robux, but now I don't because I spent all of them. I should have just kept my Robux so I can like make. Oh my gosh, it's so fast.
Times 6 in a sec.
Oh no. This is the worst.
Times 8 in a sec. And the second's got to be 10.
I can't make it, guys. Let's just wait here because lots of people. Oh my gosh, it is so fast. I'm definitely not. 16. Oh my gosh. Go, go, go.
Oh, I'm bored.
Go now, bro. Go now. Ooh, I like these parts. It's like, winter. I go this way. Oh my god. We had this one, the last one. No! I fell down. No.
Why on a tree top?
What?
Why are you on a tree?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm done. I'm not a human.
Me too. Yes. Made it.
No, I fell. What?
Oh, I like these parts as well. I made this one before. Oh my gosh, I'm so high already. I think I'm nearly at the top already. I'm always struggling on this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so high.
The people is too hard.
Oh no, I hate this one. I'm so close until the top. No! Oh my gosh, that was the hardest part. No.
I don't know how to do the pink when I'm stuck on it. How will you do this one? Oh.
I don't really want to make the video that long, so guys, I'll stop the video right here because I don't really want to make the video that long. Subscribe to my videos and like the videos as well, and comment down below which part did you like first, like me nearly going to the top. So, bye!